Welcome on YouTube. This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and today I in the building with another simple recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jamaican festival. Alright? So just a difference between the Jamaican festival and the Jamaican fried dumpling. Alright? So the Jamaican festival carries sugar. The Jamaican cornmeal dumpling don't carry sugar. Alright, that's a slight little difference. So today this recipe was requested by one of my family members, Wilbert Hamsel, overseas. Yeah, you know, once my subscribers request something, I'm going all out to give them. Alright, so Willie, I'm going to show you how to make that Jamaican festival. Alright, so stay tuned. I show you how to make Jamaican festival.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So, over here we have a cup of all-purpose flour. Alright? So we're not using a baking flour, we're using a normal all-purpose flour. We have some vanilla essence mix here that we're using. Alright? We have quarter cup of cornmeal, about quarter cup of white sugar. We also have 2 ounces of butter. We have some salt. We have some baking powder, about 2 teaspoons of baking powder, no, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we have some plain water here. Alright, so let's start putting some of our ingredients. Alright, so now we're gonna add the cornmeal, refined cornmeal, to our all-purpose flour. So after we add our refined cornmeal, we're gonna add our sugar. Alright, nicely. Good. Alright, now we're gonna add our half teaspoon salt. Yeah, don't want to add too much salt, so we're using half teaspoon. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Because we want our thing rise to the occasion. Alright, so we're gonna nicely stir this to get the ingredients nicely incorporated before we add anything else to it. Alright, so let's nicely stir this. Get our ingredients incorporated. Alright. You know, a lot of people fancy the Jamaican festival, you know. But it's a simple recipe, easy to make. But the method, you have to follow the method, because if you don't follow the method how to make this recipe, you're gonna fail. I'm telling you, because it might sound like it's easy, but the method you have to ensure that you follow it. Alright, so after we incorporate all our ingredients, now we're gonna add our butter, 2 ounces of butter. Right, so we're gonna try and rub in this with our hand, ensure that all the butter kind of incorporate with everything here. Alright, so ensure that you crush out your butter, because you want your butter, the butter is what gonna give you that flakiness of your festival. So you want to ensure that you rub in your butter nicely with your flour and your rest of ingredients. Rub it in nicely, man. Don't afraid to get the hand messed up. Alright, ensure that you spread everything. Nicely, because you know, you want a lot of people love the Jamaican festival, especially when them go in Jamaica and them not leave out them festival. Alright, when them come back overseas, them want to try it. So this is why my family member who overseas, I think he in the States, overseas, request this recipe because I know when this video drop, him a go start doing fried dumpling if him not in festival if him not doing it already. Alright, uncle? So all of you butter incorporate with your flour nicely. Alright? So good. So over here now we have a cup of water. We're gonna add our vanilla essence to it. About a teaspoon. Yeah. That's good. And then we're gonna kind of make a little hole in the middle of your flour here, and then we're gonna start pour our. We're not gonna pour everything one time. We're gonna go in with it gradually. Let's use a spoon for the first part. Don't know what you think, sir. Use a spoon for your first part, okay? You're not afraid to get nasty. So I hope my international folks loving my YouTube channel. Tell me, request a recipe that you eat in Jamaica and you would like to try it, but you want to see I do it on my channel first. Alright? All my international folks. Alright, so if you're kind of rubbing in that a little bit now, you're going to go in with your hand. You're going to kind of go in and knead it. Alright? Ensure that you do that full and knead. Get those fingers, those fists full and knead. Because you want to ensure that all your thing is incorporated, all your mixture. Alright? As you can see, coming up, man. Coming up. As I tell you, this recipe is not hard, but you definitely have to follow your procedure, the method and the procedure. Alright? To get your best, add a little bit more water. To get your best festival. Rub it in nicely. So we're gonna knead this till it come to a nice dough, and then we're gonna cover it up and leave it for an hour for everything to basically absorb. So you're gonna rest it in the fridge, cover it up nicely, and leave it in the fridge for an hour. As you can see, our dough nicely coming together. We're kneading. Alright. So now our dough is nicely mixed. This is the color we want to get. Nicely mixed and come together, yeah? Look at it. Look at the color, yeah? This is the color and the texture we want to get, alright? So we're going to cover this, plastic wrap it or foil it up nicely. And then we're going to put this down for an hour before we started to fry it. So after an hour, we have our dough in the fridge there sitting down, just to ensure that all the ingredients incorporate. So everything kind of settle. You can feel our dough is more better, feel more tighter and ready. Alright, so we have two cutting board that we're going to use. We add a little bit of flour, as you can see. Here are my invisible cutting board. Add a little bit of the all-purpose flour to it, because we're going to roll our dough nicely. Alright, so we also have another little cutting board here where I'm going to place my my festival. Alright, so kind of ensure that you have dough in your flour in your hand, because you're going to roll your dough nicely. Alright, so you're going to pinch off just the amount that you want to roll. Alright, see, we're going to roll them in a small ball first. So we're going to roll them nicely. Roll them around, you know. Roll them in this small ball first, alright? So you pinch off another little piece. We're going to do the same thing right here. Kind of roll them nicely round. Yeah. Another small ball there. So you're gonna do that with the rest of dough. Follow the same procedure. Roll them round first, and then we're gonna roll them long way after. Alright? So get them round first. So because I have the camera in one hand, kind of difficult for me, but I'm working towards it, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright? So we have 3 there. Nice little roll up. Alright. Roll them up. Good. Right? Good. So we have another one there. So we're going to roll up about 8 of them, and then we're going to roll them long way. Alright? So after we roll them in that nice little round ball circle, we're going to move to the next area where we're going to create this long shape. Alright? So as you can see how I'm rolling it, because I want to get this long shape up. Alright? So roll it, kind of roll it out. Ensure that your finger there to get that pointed shape. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, this is the shape that we're looking for. Nicely. Ensure that it have that pointed end. Alright? This is the shape that we're looking for. Alright? So we're going to do the rest of these round balls the same way. And then we're going to move to the pot next. Alright, so this is the shape that we're trying to achieve. As you can see, we shape it to the festival shape. This is how your festival should look. Alright? So over here I have my pot heated with 1.5 cups of cooking oil. The reason why I'm going in with so much cooking oil, because it's deep frying your festival. Alright? So the oil should cover your festival whenever you're frying any festival. I'm going in with between low heat and medium heat. Alright? You can't have your fire turn up, because you're going to have your dumpling quickly fried and the inside still a bit raw. Alright, so we have our oil heated. Now we're going to start place our festival inside. Alright, place our festival inside. Alright, you don't have to wait till your oil well up before you put in your festival, because it's going to gradually come up after you put in your festival. Alright? So as I normally say, don't overcrowd your pot, because your festival is going to rise. As you can see, your festival is going to rise, and the festival normally takes 3 to 4 minutes to fry. Alright? So we're going to leave them, and within 2 minutes we're going to turn them. Alright, so after 2 minutes, when your baking powder and everything started to activate, this is how you're going to find your festival started to burst. Yeah, the reason why you find your festival start and it rise to this occasion, you saw them started to look golden brown. Yeah, this is how you want your festival to look. Alright, kind of rise a little bit, and look at it, they started to burst. Yeah, man. This is how you want to see how your festival look. We're going for that golden brown crusty look. Alright? So let's watch it for the next minute and a half. So after 4 minutes, this is how your festival look. Look at how crispy them look, yeah? So we're going to remove these nicely. So you can see, look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? So we're going to remove them nicely, put them on a piece of napkin like that, just to absorb some of the grease. This is how you want to get your festival, yeah? Nice golden brown and crunchy. This is what we're looking to achieve. Look how beautiful them is. Yeah? So we're going to go ahead and put in the next set. Look at it. Your festival, man. Ready to eat. And there you have it, guys. Jamaican festival made easy and nice in the Fitzroy kitchen. Alright? As I said, this was requested by one of my subscriber, Uncle Willibert. There you have it, Uncle. Your Jamaican festival. Look how golden brown them is. Look how nice and crunchy them is, man. Yeah? I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show. Alright? Hope you click on that subscribe button. Press that notification bell. And subscribe to my channel and watch a lot more videos. Alright? Jamaican Festival. I'm out.